14, he went down now to tell his son, which is an indirect message to the world. Yeah. He speaks about, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ لِوَالِدَيْهِ. And then he goes on again. We try to wrap up the time. He advised his son and humankind about the kindness, which this is Allah, please don't miss this point. This is Allah telling us this in the Quran because Allah wants to remind us and give us these laws. But Allah, in His wisdom, refers to things in parables, in lessons, in story. Allahu Akbar. Nice, beautiful. So He's telling us in this verse here about your parents. Remember your mother, 2.5 years, she took care of you, the pregnancy, the pain, your parents. Love them, be nice to them, care for them, which is also a disease in this world that people don't do. Right? Yeah, astaghfirullah. Anyhow, so he speaks about that. That's a whole volume of lectures on parents. So he's very strong. Who is Allah? I want to keep on saying, don't go home saying this was just Luqman's advice. This is Allah reminding us and commanded us, but using this mechanism of speech. As 14, and then he goes down to say how you must be kind and all the years and the mother and the pain and the suffering and the pregnancy and the burden and the whole 9 yards, which people don't value today. You see, it's unfortunate that a lot of people value fathers because the father gives them properties. So they see the property the father gave, and then the father signs over his will. Son, I give you this car. I give you this property. Wow, my father gave me that. But he didn't see the pain the mother went through. Okay, he was in the stomach. How could he see the pain? But that's why Islam says mother comes first, mother comes first, mother comes first. Because the pain, the labor pain, the suffering during pregnancy and delivering the baby, words can never. That's why the Prophet ﷺ once told a man, he said, if you take your mother and you put her on your back and you make tawaf around the Kaaba, if you leave Florida and you walk to Makkah with her on your back, you cannot pay her back for 1 drop of milk that she gave you. You cannot pay her back for 1 second of pain that she felt when she was pregnant with you and when she had to deliver you. See that? See what comes here? Allah is telling us again.